There's a workout that fights aging better than any pill or supplement, and most people are completely ignoring it. It doesn't need equipment, it doesn't cost a thing, and it works at any age. If you want to move like you're 30 even when you're 60, stay right here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why calisthenics is the most effective way to stay youthful, active, and strong, no matter how old you are. This isn't just a fitness trend, it's a lifestyle that can completely change the way you age. So stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a clear plan to get started and feel younger, using nothing but your own body. First of all, let's see why aging changes your body. As we grow older, our bodies naturally go through changes. Around the age of 30, we slowly begin to lose muscle. After 40, this muscle loss speeds up, a process known as sarcopenia. Our joints become stiffer, flexibility decreases, and our bones start to lose density. Balance also becomes more challenging, and many people experience slower metabolism, which leads to weight gain over time. Mental changes like anxiety or low energy are also more common, but aging doesn't have to mean weakness or decline. Calisthenics directly fights all of these problems. The word itself comes from the Greek language. Kalos means beauty, and sthenos means strength. Put those together and you get beautiful strength. And that's what this workout is all about. Creating a body that moves beautifully, feels strong, and stays healthy for years. What makes calisthenics so special is how simple and flexible it is. You can do it anywhere, at home, in a park, or even in your bedroom. There's no need to wait in line for machines or pay for a monthly gym membership. Now, the kind of strength you build with calisthenics is different. It's not just about big muscles or lifting heavy things. It's about real, everyday strength. These are the muscles you use to carry groceries, get up off the floor, climb stairs, or catch yourself if you trip. That's because calisthenics uses movements that train your body to work as one unit. Instead of isolating just one muscle, you use many muscles together. For example, a push-up works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. A squat strengthens your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. A pull-up works your back, arms, and core. This not only makes you stronger, but also improves how your body moves. It builds functional strength that helps you in daily life and keeps you feeling younger. Even better, when your whole body is moving and working together, your heart rate increases and your circulation improves, giving your heart and lungs a healthy boost too. As we age, joint pain becomes more common, but a big part of that comes from not moving enough or not moving in the right way. Calisthenics encourages full body movement. It gently pushes your joints through their natural range of motion. When you do this regularly, your joints stay lubricated and flexible. Because you're only using your own body weight, the pressure on your joints is lower than what you might get from heavy lifting or high impact exercises. That means calisthenics is much safer for older adults or for people recovering from injuries. You're less likely to get hurt and more likely to feel better with each session. So instead of grinding your knees on a treadmill, why not do a few bodyweight squats and lunges instead? One of the most serious risks that comes with age is falling. It might seem like a small thing, but a simple fall can lead to broken bones, long hospital stays, and a serious loss of independence. Calisthenics improves your balance, coordination, and core strength. Three things that are super important for staying upright. Exercises like single leg stands, step-ups, side lunges, planks, and hollow holds train your body to move better and stay steady. Over time, this improves your neuromuscular control, which means your muscles and brain start working better together. You react faster, move more smoothly, and stay steady even when you're tired or walking on uneven ground. It's not just about strength, it's about control. This is something you'll notice not just in your workouts, but in your everyday life, and that can be a lifesaver, literally. Most people think metabolism slows down with age and there's nothing you can do, but that's not true. Your metabolism is directly linked to your muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even at rest. Calisthenics helps you build and maintain lean muscle without bulking up, and because it's so dynamic, it also burns calories while you're doing it. That means you're not just burning fat during the workout, you're burning fat all day long. This double effect makes it easier to manage your weight, burn fat, and feel energized without having to follow extreme diets or do long hours of cardio. Exercise doesn't just shape your body, it also shapes your brain. Calisthenics boosts the release of endorphins, which are your brain's natural feel-good chemicals. These help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. It also helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that increases with age and causes belly fat, high blood pressure, and poor sleep. Plus, studies show that bodyweight training helps maintain healthy levels of testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones affect how you sleep, how much energy you have, and even how you look. Staying active with body body weight exercises keeps these levels in check, helping you feel younger from the inside out. One of the biggest reasons people avoid calisthenics is that they think it's only for athletes or young people, but that's not true at all. Calisthenics is for everyone. Whether you're 20, 50, or 70, you can start at your own level. Every movement can be made easier or harder. If a regular push-up is too tough, you can start with push-ups against a wall. If squatting is difficult, you can use a chair for support. As you get stronger, you can slowly move to more advanced versions. The most important thing is to start where you are and stay consistent. Over time, your body will adapt. You'll get stronger, move better, and feel more confident in your own skin. Now, some of you might be wondering how to start calisthenics. Well, if you're new to calisthenics, here's a simple beginner routine. You can start with no equipment needed. Start your routine with wall push-ups by doing 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Then move on to chair squats and complete 3 sets of 12 reps. Next, lie down and perform glute bridges for 3 sets of 10 reps. After that, hold the Superman position to strengthen your back for 3 rounds of 20 seconds each. Now stand up and do standing calf raises, completing 3 sets of 15 reps. Finish your workout by marching in place for 2 full minutes to get your heart rate up. Make sure to focus on good form, slow movement, and steady breathing. Aim to do this 2 or 3 times a week. If you stay consistent, you'll begin to see changes in how you feel and how your body moves within just a few weeks. As you get stronger, you can add new movements or increase the number of reps. Stretching after your workout will also help keep your muscles loose and reduce soreness. Just a few minutes of stretching at the end can go a long way in keeping you flexible and pain-free. And that's it for today's video. If you are new to calisthenics and want to follow a complete roadmap of starting calisthenics in 2025, watch this video next where I have shared everything you need to get started with calisthenics.